Hello, this video will explain you how to record your first timesheet. At iTools, in order to monitor time spent in the company, Clara decided to install the timesheet in Odoo. To do so, go in the Human Resource Settings and tick the option Manage Timesheet in the Time Tracking section. Apply. Back to the Human Resource menu. Open an employee form as Thomas and go in the HR Settings tab. Here you will find the option linked to the timesheet management. You can link to an employee a product that will be actually what he will be selling when working for a customer, and you can also add an analytic account where all its timesheet will be gathered and recorded. For example, it will be Thomas, and you can create it on the fly. The service product is a by default product, but you can change it as, for example, consultants services. By clicking on create and edit, you can set a public price and a cost price. Let's save it. Save the employee form. Now you are ready to open your first timesheet. Go in Time Tracking, Timesheet Activity, and create one. Here you will be able to record your work in function of the project or the employee you are working for. So, for example, you say implementation of Odoo. And you can create on the fly an analytic account. That would, for example, here you can see the analytic account. It will gather actually the cost and revenue linked to this account. So okay, let's save it and say that you have worked 2 hours. Save. Create a new line. One. And now I will create an analytic account for this client. Let's say 3 hours. Save it. It's as simple as this to create your timesheet in Odoo. You can also review the timesheet by going in the account, clicking on it, and here you will be able to follow the cost and revenue linked to this customer. Here, it is actually the cost of the service consultancy put on the employee form times 3 because Thomas has worked 3 hours. This is the cost generated for this analytic account.